we will see how to quantize an ONNX model in Python. So I have already generated ONNX model which for GPT model, and we'll see how to quantize it. So I have generated that model using my previous script, for which I will give the link below, and over here it generates the ONNX model by using the torch.onnx export command over here. Now, quantization means to make it a smaller and more efficient for smaller devices like laptops and Android phone. Okay, and so over here to quantize, I've already run the code, but I'll first run it. And this is the code, so it may take a while to run, but here I'll just quickly explain. So it takes an input model, which is this one, and then it will generate an output model, which by this name. And once this is generated, then what it will do is it will just quantize the model using this quantized dynamics, which is a part of the ONNX runtime quantization. It's a library given by the ONNX team, and yeah, we can use that to quantize and make it smaller. So if I go back here, we may have to wait a while, but this is being generated and it may take a while to create that. So let's wait. Perfect. So if you see, the model has been generated. So now we can use this quantization model for our further analysis. So I'll go back to my previous code, and over here I have just done one change, which is basically change this to the new quantized ONNX file and commented out the previous one. Okay, and over here I'm giving just some prompt and asking it to generate the text for this prompt with a maximum length of 100. So let's run this and see how it happens. It will take a while, and it will also consume the CPU of your local machine and all, so just be careful. Perfect. So on completing the generated text, it generates some text, although not very relevant. It depends upon the model what we have used, but does generates the text and gives the output over here. So which is basically being printed from this last line generate text and then generate response over here. So that's all. I wanted to show you that how easy it is to create a quantized ONNX model and use it in your Python code to generate text and all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put it in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.